The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is rumored to have a 200-megapixel camera with an entirely new ISO cell sensor. Ice Universe say the new 200-megapixel camera is 100% confirmed to have 0.6 meters pixels on a one fast first 3 sensor with an FSLESH 1.7 aperture in front. Starting with the curved screen, Ice Universe posted an image on Twitter showing how to S23 Ultra look from the top compared to the S22 Ultra. The sides are a little flatter and the display isn't as aggressively curved as the S22 Ultra model. Samsung is charging the side bezels, which for Galaxy S23 Ultra is slightly thicker than the S22 Ultra. Samsung is going with the same display on the S23 Ultra LTPO 120Hz with the same resolution just like the S22 Ultra. It seems the main focus of the S23 lineup will be its chipset, and there will be a massive difference in efficiency with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 compared to the one on the S22. You will actually feel a difference this time, and that's because of TSMC is manufacturing these chipsets. S23 series is going to use Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint scanner that not only provide a much bigger surface area for fingerprint scanning, but it's even more secure, and S23 Ultra comes in at 163.4 by 77.9 by 8.9 mm, which compared with the predecessor it shows the thickness remains the same. A new report from Galaxy Club there are going to be upgraded, and the report states that both the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus are going to be upgrading to a 12-megapixel selfie camera. One major change for the S23 generation is that it will use exclusively Snapdragon chipsets. Analysts have been saying it for a while, and Qualcomm itself strongly hinted at the change. It was also previously revealed that the Samsung might ditch the use of Exynos chipset due to the new partnership program with Qualcomm. Ice Universe posted the Galaxy S23 series will sport display sizes of 6.1 inches, 6.6 inches, and 6.8 inches. As for the resolution, the base S23 and S23 Plus will reportedly sport Full HD Plus display with Quad HD Plus panel reserved for the larger S23 Ultra. The S23 and S23 Plus will keep the same design as their predecessors, and Samsung introduced this design with the Galaxy S21 back in 2021, so it will be 3 years in a row that they are going to use the same design. Additionally, Ice Universe posted the supposed dimensions of the Galaxy S23 series, showing very slightly differences between the phones. For instance, the base model will be a length, width, and height at 146.3 mm and 70.9 mm and 7.6 mm. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.